Assalamu alaikum everyone, hope you're all doing well, and Ramadan Kareem to all the Muslim people around the world. This is the Cineeye 2 from Accsoon, and this is a wireless video transmission device. Unlike the traditional wireless video transmitters, this device can send your video feed from your camera to your phone. You don't need an external monitor to see what your camera is seeing. This can either be good or bad. The good thing is you don't have to go and buy an external monitor. You just use your phone. You don't waste any more money. The bad thing is you don't get to use it with an actual monitor that has some good quality and good sharpness. What is also good is that you can use this device and share your video feed up to 4 devices, 4 phones or 4 tablets or a mix of that. And before we go outside and test it in a real life situation, it also comes with this cold shoe mount, but nothing else. It doesn't have any cables, any HDMI cables or USB-C cables or DC-in cables. You have to buy them separately, and you have to buy some NPF Sony batteries to power supply this device, since it doesn't have any internal battery.
In this test, the 2 videos are synchronized in post, so you can't really see the delay or the latency of the Cineeye 2. But we can see how fluid is the video, and we can see how far we can go before the signal cuts. After 20 meters, we got our first dropped frames, but the signal was still strong. I managed to get up to 50 meters and the signal was still good. But when I got to 60 meters, the signal was not stable. It kept connecting and disconnecting to the camera.
As you saw in the tests, the Cineeye 2 is practical. It really gives you some good quality image, and the transmission is quite good. I went up to 50 to 60 meters and the signal was quite good. It did lose the signal a few times, but it rapidly reconnected to the app and we had the feed in no time. What I liked is that you can directly record your feed on your phone, and this can be very helpful in some situations. And I liked also that in the app you can use some really good features that can help you in your monitoring, like false colors, histograms, grids, and lookup tables, LUTs, and even anamorphic desqueeze, which is really insane. What I also liked in the Cineeye 2 is that it comes with the HDMI out, so you can use both this device and an external monitor on your camera. Another cool feature that the Cineeye 2 can provide is the live streaming option directly from the app, but it's only available now for the iOS devices, not for Android devices. But hopefully this can be fixed in some upcoming firmware updates. And there is something I want to suggest to Accsoon, is that they can build an app for PCs and Macs, and that will open numerous opportunities for this device. At the end, this Cineeye 2 comes at $250 without the battery, of course. Is it cheap? No, but it does work well. It does do its job, and it does help you with your production. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video, and assalamu alaikum.